According to Mahaparinirvana Sutta, Buddha himself told his disciples to visit 4 places: Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, and Kushinagar. Sarnath is one of the most important Buddhist pilgrim centers. In ancient Buddhist literature, the place finds mention as Rishipatana, Mrigadaya, or Mrigadava. The inscriptions of early medieval period found from Sarnath refer to this place as Dharmachakra or Sadharmachakra Pravartana Vihara. Buddha, the great sage, after attaining enlightenment at Bodh Gaya, came to Sarnath and delivered his first sermon to 5 monks for redeeming humanity. It is this place where foundation of new order of monks, that is Sangha, and a new order of religious doctrine or Dhamma was laid. Later on, excavations were conducted at the site by Sir Alexander Cunningham and many other archaeologists. Chaukhandi Stupa is a lofty brick structure crowned with an octagonal tower. The octagonal tower was built by the order of Mughal Emperor Akbar. Cunningham drove a vertical shaft in its center down to the foundation in search of relic chamber, but nothing was found inside. This stupa existed in Gupta period. The Dharmarajika stupa was pulled down by the workmen of Jagat Singh in 1794, transporting the building material to Varanasi for construction. A reliquary within a stone box was found. The excavation revealed 6 stages of enlargements of the stupa, originally built by Ashoka. Main shrine is a square in plan and faces east. It represents the Moolagandha Kuti. It is believed that the Buddha stayed here. Its existing thick walls were obviously meant for supporting a massive and lofty structure. The temple is built of bricks and plaster with a mingling of carved stones from earlier structures. In front of its approach, a large rectangular courtyard with a large number of stupas and ruined shrines of various sizes is located. To the west of the main shrine stand in situ the inscribed stump of the Ashokan column along with its other parts. The pillar bears 3 inscriptions. The earliest one is the Edict of Ashoka in Brahmi characters, in which the emperor gives a warning to the monks and nuns against creating schism in Sangha. The second inscription is of Kushana period and refers to the 14th year of Ashwaghosha, the ruler of Kaushambi. The third record is incised in early Gupta script. A few yards west of the Ashokan pillar is located an apsidal chapel of an earlier period. Apart from temples and different types of stupas, a good number of monasteries are also reported from Sarnath. The monastery number 1 was constructed by Kumara Devi, Queen of Kahadwal. Highly decorated bricks were used in its construction. Monasteries of Sarnath are dated from Kushana period to early medieval period. Usually all monasteries consist cells for the residence of monks. Covered veranda in front of cells and an open courtyard with well for their use. Some of the monasteries were probably 2 or 3 storied. The monastery number 5 was provided with a reception cell and 2 cells for watchmen. A solid cylindrical tower, the Dhamek Stupa. The structure consists of circular stone drum to a height of 11.20 meter resting on the ground. Halfway up the base are 8 niches which must have held images. Immediately below these niches runs a broad course of elaborate carving with geometrical and floral patterns combined with birds and human figures. This covering is considered to be a magnificent example of high achievement of Gupta workmen in designing most intricate scroll pattern. As its old name was Dharmachakra Stupa, it is not unlikely that it marks the spot of the preaching of the Dhammabai Buddha. The Archaeological Museum was planned in 1904 as a site museum to house the antiquities unearthed at Sarnath. The building was completed in 1910. The sculptures are exhibited in the main hall, 4 galleries, and in 2 verandas. The most magnificent sculpture of Mauryan art is the Lion Capital, which once crowned the Ashokan pillar. The 4 lions are example of vigorous workmanship and are sculptured with great naturalism. There are 4 running animals on the abacus: an elephant, a bull, a horse, and a lion, each separated by a smaller wheel or Dharma Chakra. The Lion Capital is one of the great masterpieces of art of all times. It is the national emblem of India. The colossal Bodhisattva image of red sandstone was donated by monk Bala in the 3rd year of the region of Kanishka. The octagonal shaft, now set up behind the statue, once carried a beautiful umbrella carved with auspicious symbols. The image showing Buddha seated cross-legged in the preaching attitude is one of the most exquisite creation of Gupta art. The halo is carved with a pair of celestial figures and conventional floral scroll work. Images of Agni, Shiva, Vishnu, and Kartikeya and a few Jain pieces confirm the theory of a school of art flourishing at Sarnath from Gupta period onwards. Among these is the early medieval colossal Shiva image killing demon Andhaka. Kushana images inspired and paved a solid way for the Gupta artists to create images of Buddha and other deities, which were the most perfect examples of the proportionate body and inner bliss of the deities. The essence of glorious past is hidden in the monuments of Sarnath. It is our prime duty to preserve it for our future generation.